Hello, a big warm welcome to you. I am so happy to have you here with me in this revolutionary new online program from Bolster Up, the ultimate guide to becoming a happy, healthy human. I'm thrilled you want more in life, to get unstuck, live more, love more, enjoy more. This first module is to help you get acquainted and familiar with all the benefits available to you and explain the Bolster Up journey process. It is important to move beyond your current circumstance, just like it was for me. And I am beyond thrilled to share this space and time with you. There are 4 core creations in our life and 4 pillars that support the choices we make. Be the predominant creative force in your life, health and vitality. Live your true nature and purpose. And finally, live a life you love. And the 4 pillars of support are thinking, breathing, nourishment, and rest. Here at Bolster Up, we focus on what is wanted and use the pillars for support. One of the 4 core pillars that needs to be addressed constantly is health and vitality. Your health impacts all areas of life: wealth, relationships, happiness. Keep in mind, health is a state of complete physical, social, and mental well-being, all-encompassing, and not merely the absence of disease. And included in that is our neurological, psychological, and all aspects of you. For the last 20 years, our health, physical, mental, emotional, has declined. With our happiness in jeopardy, we are not just less happy, we are generally getting sicker. The CDC states that life expectancy gives us a snapshot of the nation's overall health. And the sobering statistics are a wake-up call that we are losing too many people, too early, too often, to conditions that are preventable. Enough is enough. I plan to support, reinforce, secure, and bolster up as many humans that are willing to grow with me. This program focuses on creating health and happiness. We cannot isolate the two. How you feel is a direct link to how well your body heals and maintains health. Bolster Up is a winning guide to life that deliberately sets you up for success. Ignoring your level of happiness just can't be done any longer. The Bolster Up method is all about you, your whole being, not just isolated parts. Hi, I'm Stephanie McCannon. I'm the founder and owner of Bolster Up. I'm a certified health and wellness coach, author, and organizational psychologist. Bolster Up is more than a wellness guide. It is a way of being, a philosophy, and a concrete roadmap to reaching your full potential. Included in this program are vital components to overcoming life's biggest challenges. Each module is designed to be consumed on its own. However, we believe you will receive the most benefit by going through the modules in the order provided. This is not a healing course. This is a creation course. We create health, vitality, wealth, relationships, happiness, and more peaceful experience. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for purchasing this course. You might be wondering exactly what you get out of Bolster Up, the ultimate guide to being a happy, healthy human. Well, let's take care of that straight away. The first is focus. We can all use a bit more of that. You will know what you want, why you want it, and how to get it. More importantly, you will finally be able to remove the self-destructive limiting beliefs that hold you back, keep you stuck and in fear. Benefits of the Bolster Up method are confidence, assurity, improved relationship skills, happier, healthier, and more fulfilled living. I want you to get more than your money's worth and have provided extensive opportunities to support your journey now and in the future. I will give you detailed instructions on how to stay involved in the next module. But wait, there's more. All the information in the world will not help you if you choose not to engage and apply it. My expectations are to have your full presence with each lesson, to be in a quiet place, take notes, learn, and reflect. Some of the work and information will be challenging, and that's okay. It means you're growing, expanding, and you're learning. My team and I have deliberately developed this course to be consumed in short lessons. I value your time, your energy, and life. and I hope to be a small part of it. The information provided in this course is sound, thoughtful, and sometimes personal. I do use the latest neuroscience, psychology, and sociology. However, this course, any information, guidance, or suggestions is not a replacement or substitute for professional health and wellness services. When you're ready, go ahead and move to the next lesson, logistics.